Hello, welcome to Jumpy, a new platformer game. Now this is just the start menu, but we can actually still control the player, Jumpy, so let's go through all those controls now. I used Z and X instead of A and B because it makes more sense on a keyboard, but also we can have this cool backwards NES controller just without the start of select because we can only use 6 buttons for this project. By pressing left and right, Jumpy will walk to the left and to the right. By pressing up, he can jump with some cool simulated gravity. And by pressing down, Jumpy can crouch. By crouching, you can fit through smaller gaps like this, as well as jump through platforms. If you weren't crouching, then you would just get pushed right out. By holding down X and using the arrow keys, we can go through our inventory here. Now right now I have nothing in my inventory, so they're just a bunch of empty slots, but later this will make more sense. And also by pressing Z, it'll use the item, but we don't have anything in there right now. Also notice that Jumpy can jump on the side of platforms. Now this will be a little bit more helpful when we have more difficult jumps to do. Alright, so we have full health. We're going to start level 1. Let's click Z, X, and up to start the game. So we have a whole level generated here. Now there's only one enemy, so I'm not really that worried. I'll just hang up here. I'm going to pick up this item by clicking X and up at the same time, and now it's in my inventory. By holding X, I can see it in my hand, and I can go to empty slots, and then I'm not holding anything. Now I'm going to go hop on this enemy to kill it. There's only one enemy right now, but in later levels there'll be a lot more. Now this item is the jump boost potion. I'll just use it. Now I can jump twice as high and really long. This could be more helpful in later levels when you have a lot of enemies and you have to get out of the way. Great, now with that out of the way, I'm going to go to the top of the screen, jump, and it's going to restart the level. Now I have a whole different set of platforms, but there's always going to be a guaranteed path to the top. Right now I have this speed potion. This is going to let me go twice as fast. I'll use it right now by clicking Z. This one isn't super useful, but hey, twice as fast? What's not to like about that? As you can see, even with these seemingly random platforms, there's still a guaranteed path to the top. When Jumpy's health goes all the way to 0, then there'll be a game over message, and the game is over. By using the bomb and getting really close to enemies, you can blow up a bunch of enemies at once. If Jumpy loses some health, then he can regain it by using this health potion. This last power-up can take out enemies from a long range. Do you have what it takes to defeat them all? Play now on Scratch.